What's going on, Channel 12? It's your boy, the 12th letter L. Just came from a meeting with the mayor of Del City. Now, if you ask me if the meeting went well, the answer is no. I have a feeling that he's not going to do anything about my requests. My requests are for them in Del City Police Department to remove the thin blue line flag. And I have several pictures that I will include in this video to show you that the thin blue line flag is racist. It was down there at the insurrection, January 6th, with the Trump flag, who we all know who is racist, and the Confederate battle flag. And one with a helmet with the, the battle flag on it. But the point is, I asked them if they could remove that. Now, he wasn't really willing to do anything like that. Instead, he went on a sidetrack. You know how you got a tree that goes up like this, right? And it branches off. Well, he went to the left. And he started talking about the slavery issues in Africa this day and age. And why can't I do something about that? That's where his focus would be, is for me to, worry about the slavery and all that. I was like, I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about this flag. When I talked to the mayor of Guthrie, the police chief of Guthrie, he gave me this long email about different flags. And he said, do you also think these are racist? Do you think the fire department's thin red line flag is racist? And I was like, no, they don't commit violence against citizens. Only the people with the Trump flag, only people with the Confederate battle flag, and the people with the thin blue line flag are the ones that commit violence against citizens. All right? We need to get rid of it. Now, I asked him if he couldn't take it down, okay, because I said get rid of it, and he says, we got to learn from our history and some other stuff. And I said, put it in a museum. That's where they go. If you want to keep your thin blue line crap up, that's fine. Put it in a museum. You won't hear no complaints from me. Probably wouldn't hear complaints from me for a long time. Number one, my mission is to get rid of all bad police. If you're a bad police officer, I'm coming for you, and I will get you fired or rack up so many complaints that you wish you would quit. All right? I'm not going to run away from any of this. Now, I did give the mayor props because when I went there last year to complain about the roads, a year later, they repaved the roads. They haven't done the ones in front of the school yet, but they are going to wait until the school is out to do that. But the point is, what I do does, in fact, affect change. All right, when I was at the Del City Police Department, I kept going in their police parking, right? The fence is always open. And one police guy said, well, why are you back here? And I told him what I was doing. And he said, you're not supposed to be back here. Well, that's fine. If you don't want me back here, put up the proper signs. Say police personnel only or no trespassing. Okay, and you got your wish, but the thin blue line flag needs to come down. All the thin blue line memorabilia in the office there, not the office, the lobby needs to be coming down. All right? A message to all police here in Oklahoma. I'm coming after you if you're bad. All the guards in the federal buildings, if you're bad, I'm going to get you fired. All I'm asking is for police to start learning the Constitution and stop violating the regular citizens' rights. Stop doing it. It's uncalled for. We're not back in the 1960s where you guys could just go down the street and just shoot black folks. No, we can't do that no more. So guess what? I'm coming for you. And if you're dirty, I'm coming for you. If you had that thin blue line flag on your person or on a police vehicle, I'm coming for you. All right? No more racism. That stuff needs to be gone. I'm tired of it, and my ancestors been tired of it. So, will the mayor do anything? I doubt it. Right? Then he starts talking about religion. Why are you talking about religion? We're not talking about religion. We're talking about that thin blue line flag up there. All right? So, did I get any results? The answer is no. Will I affect change this time? Probably not. But there's always the governor, but I don't like the governor either. Don't like the governor either. I think he's bullshit. Bullshit. Anyway, thanks a lot for tuning in. This is the 12th letter, and I'm out. Have a good day. Bless you.